guys, welcome to the Dundas Junction Model Railroad. Well, I had a mail call came in today. This is all the parts for my bridge. So I thought, well, I'm going to open up the box and we'll look at it together. It's still sealed. And I'll show you exactly what Phil, Train Layout, he's based in London, did for me. And this is all 3D printed parts. Right here. There's his business card if you ever want some work done. Phil's a nice guy. He does custom work. The first thing he did for me, he printed up some fascia panels for my push button stations. And these fit into here like that. And I'll mount to my panel. So that's the that's for the crossover, and he did 4 of these for me. This is, I think these he done on a filament printer. So that is those. That's for the crossovers. Then he did a bunch of single ones for the a single button for a regular crossover, a regular switch machine. He also printed some debris for my bridge, some tires, which I gotta paint, I guess. Did that. He did some skids. They're pretty cool. And what else we got here? Oh, he did some jersey barriers for me for underneath the bridge, and some pylons. And an oil tank for the next to the shed, which I'll show you. So that turned out pretty good. Containers. He did 3 of these for me. These are 20-foot containers, 3D printed. They don't open up. I decided it's going to make a box and another layout. So he did 2 and 3. There's that. And this is the shed he did. And the drum. These are the roof rafters. It's a detail. This is the concrete base for the shed. Another barrel, I'll go with wood in it. So that's 3D printed filament, and there's the roof. For the chimney, for the stove to keep you warm and that. So that turned out pretty good. And these are the wall sections. We get more stuff in there too. Just look at the wall parts. So he did these. It's hard to may not see right here, but when he printed them out, he made the blocks 3-dimensional, so it's not just flat. And he custom fitted to fit my bridge. So these go underneath the bridge. I will take some still shots later, and I'll put these in position later, and you'll see them how they look. I'll give you an idea of it. So this is one side. So this the lower section for underneath the bridge, right directly below it. He's even numbered them for me. So that's cool. So yeah, so that's the bridge, the wall section of the bridge, and I won't open up the second one. So that is the other half, other side. He also did some stone toppers for the wall. There's the other side, because one side's longer than the other. So that turned pretty good. Now these pieces here, these are like girders. These will go in front of the bridge buttons right here. They go right there. So with a bit of modification. So they turn out pretty good too. And here comes the bridge sections. So there's the bridge. So they butt together in the middle here. Turn the right way, Russ. Just like this. And yeah, so that's the bridge. And there's four of these. That's one. And this is the fence he did for me for the top of the railing. You got a camera, I guess, eh? So these attach to these things here. The top of it's a barrier. So I got one for each side. I did that. Another one of those devices. So here's the other fence. So this short guy is for here. I gotta drill little tiny little holes and mount these in. So we'll do that in a drill press, I think. And here's the rest of the bridge. There goes the box. So yeah, so this is all 3D printed, and so when they're put together, you have two halves. So one half will go on the back side like this, just like that. Double wall thickness, and this is designed to fit into the like plywood platform. So that is so the next step is I'm going to start to assemble the bridge, and that's where I use the glue, the CA glue I got from thanks to our good friend Dwight. So we'll glue this together, then the two halves, and made it then fasten to the bridge, which I'll be using a combination of CA glue and epoxy. So yeah, so that's my mail call. That is my bridge components, and of course some controls, some fascia panels for the push button stations. If you can't see it from here, but wherever this a single button, this guy here, this is a single button here, that will work these guys here. These going like this. And these panels are made to fit the Walters push buttons. Exactly like that. And I'm going to make a panel if they fit in so I can not drill a big hole. But yeah, so that's for every push button station around the layout, we'll get one of these. And I'll put them together. So if I have 3 buttons in one area, I'll put 3 fascia panels. So yeah, so I'm quite pleased with that. It's going to work out really good. Just a reminder, Phil is in London. He will do custom work. That's his card. A big shout out. He does have a YouTube channel too. I think it's called Phil's Train Layout. So check him out. And I think that'll be it for this mail call. Until next time. Thanks, guys. I'm almost close to 700 subscribers. I want to thank all my subscribers. We'll keep plugging away. Reminder, next week, Monday, will be on Mike's channel. So we'll catch y'all in the next stream or somewhere else. We'll find you. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for stopping by.